Hi, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into health, wellness, and feeling your absolute best. I'm Ken, and today we're talking about something so many of you care about: hair restoration. Whether you're looking to regrow, rejuvenate, or just maintain the hair you love, I have information about a new and science-backed method to help you out. But before we move on, I just want to remind you how important it is to hit that subscribe button. It's right there on the bottom of the screen, or you can find it in the description. Also, be sure to turn on that notification bell. Not only does it keep you in the loop with our latest videos, but it also helps us grow and reach more people like you who are passionate about health and self-care. And if you want to go the extra mile to help support the channel, consider joining Patreon. Your contributions help us to produce high-quality content and dive deeper into topics that matter most to you. The link is in this description. Check it out. Have you ever pondered whether a sugar cube could be the solution to hair loss? You might not be too far away. A particular sugar component called 2-dextrose-D-ribose, 2-DDR, may be the key to treating male pattern baldness, according to a recent study. And for millions of men who suffer from this prevalent ailment worldwide, that's wonderful news. Not your typical table sugar. 2-DDR is a molecule that plays a significant part in a number of biological processes, both in human and in animals. The researchers saw a significant regeneration of hair when applied to the skin of bald mice. And it's interesting to note that this was similar to the effect of minoxidil, one of the 2 FDA-approved medicines for baldness. According to Professor McNeil, male pattern baldness is a common condition affecting men all over the world. According to our research, using naturally occurring dextroribose sugars to boost the blood supply to the hair follicles to encourage hair growth may be the answer to treating hair loss. Hair follicles are essential to the production of hair, as we all know. For these small skin organs to operate properly, a strong blood supply is necessary. The sugar molecule prolongs the active growth phase of the hair cycle in baldness by promoting the development of new blood vessels around the hair follicles, which fosters hair growth. Existing medications like minoxidil and finasteride, which enlarge blood arteries or block hormones linked to hair loss, are in stark contrast to this approach. While investigating how the sugar can promote wound healing by promoting the growth of new blood vessels, the researcher discovered the potential of 2-DDR. When compared to locations that were left untreated, they noticed faster hair growth surrounding the healed wounds. This insight motivated them to investigate the possibility of 2-DDR to cure hair loss. Even if the results are encouraging, it's important to keep in mind that mice were used in this study. To determine the efficacy and safety of 2-DDR for human hair regeneration, human trials must still be conducted. However, the researchers are optimistic that this sugar molecule may provide a novel treatment for hair loss. If these findings hold up to more testing, 2-DDR might give a special choice for men who are struggling globally, giving them hope for a workable solution that might not have the negative side effects of existing therapies. In fact, this discovery opens up new therapy options for hair loss. If 2-DDR can be shown to be safe for humans, there are numerous benefits, with possibly fewer adverse effects. It might just be as effective as minoxidil. To completely grasp 2-DDR's potential as a cure for hair loss, however, a significant amount of more research is required. Human trials are the next important step to ascertain its safety and efficacy. Okay, that wraps up today's video on hair restoration. I hope you found this tip helpful as you work towards healthier, fuller hair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and subscribing is the easiest way to help grow and reach more people like you. And if you'd like to go even further in supporting our mission, consider joining us on Patreon. Your contributions help pay bills and allow me to create higher quality content, explore even more exciting topics, and keep this channel running strong. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of this amazing community. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, take care of yourself and your hair.